Oh, what? It's been a pleasure coming back to the place I know so well. My cataract was done. My family members were attended all here, and it was a wonderful time. And now to come and see the advanced stage at which it has grown, it's a great pleasure to be back again, getting treated here. And I would strongly recommend people to come and have a look at it and see the facilities they are giving. And it looks very great in my way.
मी अलका जनार्दन आचरेकर. माझं ऋषभ आय हॉस्पिटलमध्ये दोन्ही कॅटरॅक्टचं ऑपरेशन व्यवस्थित झालं. डॉक्टर श्रेया शहा यांनी चांगली मला ट्रीटमेंट दिली. ऑपरेशन पण व्यवस्थित झालं. डॉक्टर स्टाफ खूप चांगले आहे. खूप चांगलं मला हे केलं त्यांनी आणि ऑपरेशन पण व्यवस्थित झालं माझं आणि त्याच्यामुळे मला चांगलं व्यवस्थित दिसतंय.
Follow Center for Sight and post your queries to get answers from the experts.